Hi, I'm Yaswanth. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will share a way where you can earn a minimum of 10k per month forever by just sharing your skills once. Yes, it is possible. Please watch till the end so that I can also show you some proofs on how I earn through this way. So the way that I'm going to talk is online teaching. Online teaching is all about you make a course with your skill, whatever the skill that you know, you just make a course and you will upload it on platforms like Udemy and Skillshare. And still there are some hundreds of platforms, so you can just apply as an instructor and you just need to upload your courses. That's it. You can upload course on anything that you're good at. So let's suppose you are a good designer, just make a course on designing and upload it. You're good at programming, just make a course on programming language and upload it. So whatever it might be, there are people around the world who need courses on almost everything. So this is the best way to earn. And also I said you can earn up to 10k per month as a minimum. Like I will also show you the investment proof on how you can actually do that. So this is my Udemy earnings. So if you can see, so these are my annual earnings. So I have earned up to $2,000. So and I have started doing Udemy courses since I can say 18 months, like roughly. So if you can see, for every month at an average I'm earning around $100 to $150 per month every month. So even though I'm not actively doing courses now, so I have made courses 1 year back. So since 1 year I'm not doing any courses at this moment. Still I'm able to earn, I'm able to get returns from my previous courses. So it is the advantage of online courses. You just need to invest your skills at a time. You just need to share your skills at a time, but you can earn for lifetime. So this is the advantage of doing online courses. And also you might ask me, you don't need too much of equipment and infrastructure to create an online course. Just having a screen sharing application like Zoom or Google Meet is enough. Because if you're teaching a programming course, just open your Zoom and start sharing your screen and teach by explaining, by writing the code, and just record your voice. That's it. Your recording will be stored and you can save it as a lecture. So record 20 to 30 of lectures and upload it as a course. It's pretty much simple. So you are not investing anything here, but you're just sharing your skills one time and you are earning passive income every single month. This is something that I'm earning every month. So it is not that I'm just sharing a random way to earn money, because I have experience in this. So that is the reason why I'm sharing it. So I hope it would be helpful. It's not like you need to do it on Udemy only. No, there are various other platforms. So I have also uploaded my courses on other platforms and I'm even earning some money from those platforms too. So you will find lot of these course offering platforms. So you just need to register as an instructor and upload your courses and start earning. That's it. But yeah, the only thing that matters is a skill. If you have mastered at least one skill, then ultimately you can choose this option to earn decent passive income. So even some months I have earned more than 20k per month. There are some months. So it is how you can make decent passive income every month. So thank you for watching this video. I hope it would be helpful. If you want someone else to benefit from this, please share this video in your network. Also, if you're a new visitor to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.